Jack from Australia. What are we making today, big boy?
Protein balls.
We are.
So I'll do the ingredients, shake.
Hey, do you know what? I reckon we let Oshi say the ingredients today.
Wait a minute.
Oshi's going to do it. You ready?
Alright. High quality protein, maca powder, sunflower seeds and chia seeds, coconut oil, mashed up dates, almonds, macadamias and chocolate. And I almost forgot oats. Alright.
We're going to start off, Jack Man. We're going to start with 1 scoop of our rolled oats. Please, can you pour that into the bowl, boy? Thank you. Yeah.
All of it?
All of it. That's it. Well done.
Alright.
Go away. Oshi, your turn. I'm going to have 2 scoops of this protein. Now with your protein, guys, I have a Choc mint protein. It's an all natural protein. You can use vanilla if you like, whatever you want. This one is a whey protein, or you can use
caramel.
You can use a plant-based protein. Just make sure that you're using a good quality, because not all proteins are created equally. That's right.
Yeah.
Now we're going to put a good heaped tablespoon of maca powder. This is an organic maca powder. Here, Jack, you can do that.
So 1 spoon. 1 comes with spoons.
Good boy, that's enough.
Alright.
This stuff is pretty amazing. You'll have to Google it and read all about it. Now, Osh, can you throw in all of those? Now, I don't know, there's probably a good tablespoon and a half there. Now, I ran out of sunflower seeds, but I always like to throw in a heap of sunflower seeds as well. Gives it a nice sort of crunchy texture. Jack, can I have 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, please? We'll use a clean spoon.
Chia seeds are so healthy, guys.
You like making chia seed puddings, don't you? Here, Jack, we might make them one day. Have we made them yet?
No. Hang on, let me just do a little one.
Okay. And just kids watching at home, try not to put your fingers in the bowls. Okay. So we're going to start off with all our dry ingredients. Now, both lots of nuts. I'll let you put one in, Jack. You, Oshi. Now, you can put cashews in. You can put Brazilian nuts, walnuts, pecan nuts, pistachios, whatever you want. This is what we've got in the cupboard. Pour it in, darling. Like Oshi is.
There we go.
Now, for those with nut intolerances.
And guys, if you're a little boy or a little girl, make sure to get your penguins.
Yes.
Yes. Because they're nice.
Yes.
So now we're going to pour the chocolate in.
Yes. As I was saying, for those that have nut allergies, you can make beautiful balls without nuts, and we're going to do that another day. Now, with this chocolate that we've used, excuse me, I'm just going to cut a little bit more. This is a really high quality dark chocolate, so make sure.
What does high quality mean?
That means excellent, very good for you.
Yeah.
It's the end of the day.
Yum.
I'm lost for words. I don't think you can have too much chocolate. It's a nice, smell the mint.
Have you smelled the mint for 100 meters?
100 meters.
Yes, little mama.
Okay. Now, last but not least, excuse me, Jack, you move to the side, please. Okay.
Make sure you put the whole chocolate in, guys.
Come and have a look, guys. So that's what we've got so far. And we've got that. So this is all the dry ingredients. Now, if you want to add more chocolate, if you want to add more nuts, whatever you like, try not to make it too chunky. Otherwise, when you are rolling them, they're going to break apart.
Alright.
Step.
So we only got 2 more ingredients left.
All right, Oshi, 2 tablespoons of
You have to
coconut
step
oil
into ingredients left.
these. Now, with your stewed dates, I put about a cup of dates. One sec, darling. A cup of dates, that's good. No, into there, darling. There's about a cup of stewed dates. I've just put a little bit of water in a saucepan and just slowly simmered it for a good probably 20 minutes. So they are still warm.
That Piper is right outside. She's staring down.
Who's Piper? Everyone wants to know who Piper is.
She's a little caddy.
She is.
Caddy baby.
So guys, you give that a mix. Now the stewed dates are still a little bit warm, so it's nice because then the coconut oil melts into that. And that is going to be the moisture base that we are going to combine with this in just a few minutes.
Let's get this party started!
Yes, let's. All right, so let's pour this into here and we'll get mixing. Now, if you add a little bit too much moisture, obviously add a few more oats or a little more protein. But give it a really good mix.
It smells so good.
It does.
So excited to try.
It does.
It smells like protein, Mom.
Now, in the coming weeks, we will make a few different varieties because there are so many different things that you can add in or take out, so many additions. Coconut.
My mom calls Piper Pipey Poo, so I just want to let you know that she calls her Pipey Poo.
Pipey Poo is our beautiful old rescue cat, and she's actually stuck out the back door there. What are we going to do now, Jack?
Mommy's going to stick her hands in, which is really disgusting.
We are going to get rolling. Now, I have put gloves on, just little rubber gloves. For hygiene purposes, because I know if I was going to, like with the family, it's fine and my hands are washed, but if you are making them for other people, it's nice. But the main reason I wear them is because if you don't, you get a build-up of the date residue on your hands and it makes them really hard to roll. Hey Jack, can you get your face out of the bowl, please?
Yes, sir.
All right, now I'm going to pick up, so that was, I'll show you what I'm grabbing here. Grab a size like that. And if you come in, I'll show you the consistency when you squeeze. You'll find they're nice. Give them a bit of a roll.
And then you make a
See how
protein ball.
it's nice and compact, nice and shiny, but it's not too sludgy. So there we go.
Guys, make sure you don't just
And now what you want to do is you want to pour the cheese flat onto a plate.
Yep, just
But
sprinkle a few.
don't pour it in, just sprinkle.
sprinkle, sprinkle.
That's heaps, thank you. Here we go.
And just let it roll.
And then we keep rolling.
Look at that, guys.
Voila! Look, there they are. Now you can make them as big as you want. Sometimes I make little tiny, just little bite-sized ones.
So after you do that, usually you put them in the fridge for how long do you think?
100 minutes.
100 minutes. Well, that's actually not a bad idea. At least a good hour I like to.
Guys,
just to
make sure you
firm-
make them turn twice. Okay?
Turn to off.
No.
No.
But we can't wait any longer, so we're going to try one now.
Okay. You pick one, Oshi.
I'm going to pick this big sucker.
So they'll be a bit soft and squidgy now.
I'm going to pick this little muggy.
Alright. Ready?
Mm.
3, 2, 1.
What do you reckon, Jack? I think Oshi likes it. Do you like that?
It's so healthy, but it's so good.
And they're quite filling too. Really
I
great
can eat
little
these
snack
all day.
idea. All day, yes, he can eat them all day too. I can verify that. But yes, super easy, fun for all the family. healthy. We will do some variations, as I said, but we hope you enjoy them. To finish off, guys, if you don't have a nice Choc mint protein like what we have, use the dark chocolate, the Choc mint dark chocolate, high quality, as I said. You can also get creative and add a couple of drops of a really good quality, again, peppermint essential oil, and it is delicious.
Alright guys, so we hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel. We hope you enjoy our
Don't forget to click like and subscribe and click the notification, whatever it's called.
That's
And guys,
it.
if you don't mind, you can also comment down below what we should do next, what you would like us to do.
It doesn't matter if you don't like this video.
No.